So welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. A very short video tonight. I was out all day in Verona, and tomorrow morning I've got a very early appointment, but I just wanted to show you the layout, the 90 by 100 centimeter layout, with a Jinty hauling a short goods train. The goods train is formed by, let's bring it in view. We have 4 Tri-ang coaches, 4 Tri-ang wagons, 1, 2, 3 and 4 with a brake, and a Hornby one, which is the exact same moulding, only it has metal wheels. So it's one of these Hornby that wagons that date back to Tri-ang. Only this one here is trying to count the planks on this one. Excuse me. Let's see if we can see the planks. Number of planks is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a 7 plank wagon, and this one here should be a 6 plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, a 6 plank Bestwood Ironworks, and a 7 plank wagon at the front. And these ones have got the plastic wheels with the pinpoint axles, so they're actually quite good, quite smooth running. And in the meantime, my controller has decided it wants to sleep. Something's wrong with electrics here. Yes. Okay, what's happened? The mechanical controller, I've been running trains since I came in today, and it's gone in protection mode. Sometimes this is one of my better Chinese mechanical controllers. It's made in PRC, but by Mechano Izola, Slovenia. This one here is the one I usually use on the sidings in Brunel. It's not a bad controller, but the Slovenian one has less problems with these British XO4 motors, and the same applies to the Hornby HO that I tested last night, and the controller played me the exact same trick. It decided that it had had enough of energivorous motors. Let's see if maybe switching it on and off. No, it's gone completely. We'd have to wait for this thing here to reactivate itself. Let's smell it. Yes, it's a bit on the hot side. Yes, it's hot. These are 400 milliamps output, which is sufficient, the declared rating plate, for the XO4 motor. But some of the Chinese ones, and this is the better of the Chinese ones, tend to go in protection mode quicker, earlier. They have a lower threshold compared to the Slovenian one. The ones made in Slovenia are better. This is a more, as I was saying, an earlier Chinese made one, because it has this red and white cable. The later Chinese ones have got a black cable. So this is absolutely, you see, it doesn't show track, so it means that it's in protection. Temperature switch is tripped. So that's it for the moment. Cheerio, and see you tomorrow with tomorrow there's a model kit Tuesday as well, but I'm free most of the day. And here's some other jobs. The Mechano rail clips have arrived, so I'm going to continue fitting the rails properly and eliminating the drawing pins. And what else? I'm considering replacing this Lima track, this old Lima track, where the Jinty's flanges come in contact with the shoes with some Juef curved track. But we'll have to get that. I have to see what the radius is, because this is the exact radius I need, and I don't want to have too many small short sections, because that means, you know, you're losing electrical continuity. So this length would actually be okay. I'll see what to do. I have to have a look at the radius. The radius of the second-hand Juefs I've spotted, compare them with what's written at the back of these Limas, and then make my mind up what to do. If not, I've only got, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 sections of track. I might just take them one by one with a file and file down the shoes so that the flanges don't touch them anymore, and just file them, make them a bit lower, lower the profile of the shoes, and that way we won't have this problem. Of course, doing it on a whole track would be a daft thing to do, but anyway. I would have liked to show you also this. The 131TB is working very well on this layout. I'm very pleased. So we'll be able to run some. So this will be, anyway, as I said, this is both double O and HO. So we'll see more work in progress on this. Cheerio, and see you next time. Pity I can't run a train now. No. This pal here has to cool off. Okay. Good night.